children, today let's start with chapter number 77, that is safety and first aid. So let's find out about the safety and first aid. Accidents may happen anywhere at any time. They may occur due to carelessness. So to avoid such accidents, what we follow some safety rules. So safety at home. Do not run or down the stairs. Right? Keep your floor clean and dry. Put the toys or bags at their proper places because anyone may fall down. Do not go close to fire. Be careful while using. जब आप knives, forks या scissor का यूज़ करो तो आपको carefully यूज़ करना चाहिए. Be careful while using electric gadgets. आपको bare feet, नंगे पैर या फिर गीले हाथों से wet hand से नहीं touch करना. Do not use firework inside or near your home. Do not fly kites standing on terrace. और आप बिना डॉक्टर के एडवाइस के कोई भी मेडिसिन नहीं लेंगे. Now safety on roads. What road accidents are common, especially on busy roads? Always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, walk on the left side of the road. Always cross the road at zebra crossing or cross where there is safe crossing. Do not get down from the running bus. Wait for the bus to stop. Never play on roads, railway tracks, bridges. Never take any lift from strangers. Stay out of ditches and away from electric poles. आपको stray animals को tease नहीं करना. Try not to go anywhere alone. Safety at school. Do not try to jump over desk or table. Always use a sharpener to sharpen the pencil. Do not play rough games. You may get hurt. Never shout into someone's ear. Do not run and push others to get inside the class. Do not throw pencils, pens, books or paper. Right? Now do not run in the corridor. If we talk about safety at playground, use the playground equipments properly. Always play in the regular playground. Never push other on slide, seesaw. Always switch sits on the swing. Do not stand or kneel. Do not leave your bicycle bags away from the playing area so that no one may trip out. Safety while swimming. आपको कभी भी अकेले swim नहीं करना. Always go with the elders. Always swim in clean pool. Never go for deep pool. It may be risky. Do not go for swim just after your meal. Wear proper swimming costume when you are swimming. Next is first aid. What is first aid? It is immediate help given to an injured person till the doctors arrive. Right? So first aid is important during emergency to preserve life, to prevent the condition from worsening, to speed up the recovery. What all important things that must be there in your first aid box? A roll of cotton, gauze pieces, antiseptic lotion, cream, toilet soap, adhesive tape, pair of scissors, or common medicine, fever की, headache की, stomach ache की. Remember the following points. Never panic if there is an accident. Immediately try to find an adult person for help. Do not allow the people to crowd around the injured person. Right? If the victim is in bleeding, press the bleeding part with the clean clothes. जिससे क्या हुआ? Bleeding जो होती है वो क्या होता है? Stop हो जाए. If the person has fainted, rest her head lower than his body. और जिसके supply of oxygen उसको increase करो. In case of insect bite, wash the wounds with cold water and place the ice pack. If someone's clothes catch fire, wrap them tightly with a blanket. जिससे जो air है, it will be prevented from reaching the fire and fire will die. और fire खत्म हो जाएंगे. If your clothes catch fire, start rolling immediately on the ground. By doing this, fire जो होती है वो खत्म हो जाती है. Sometimes due to accidents such as drowning, gas poisoning, it is best to start artificial respiration. क्योंकि जो easiest और the simplest way है mouth to mouth respiration. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.